after assembling the 2-inch shaft, we can now load material to run a 3-meter roll job with coreless winding. At the NEPATA UA770, we offer replacement mandrels in 2-inch diameter, so you can change the standard 3-inch mandrels into 2-inch mandrels, either to wind onto 2-inch cores, wind off from 2-inch cores, or even wind coreless on this new 2-inch shaft. To exchange the shafts, you just open the black ring at the right end of the mandrel. Then with the big wrench, you open the big nut on the left end of the mandrel, and then you are able to just slide off the 3-inch mandrel and replace it with the 2-inch version. After you slide on the 2-inch mandrel, just add the black ring in front again, and then pull the big nut at the left end tight with the wrench again. I'll make sure that make sure that the mandrel stays at the very left side. Now we're basically ready to go